I'm sorry guys for not uploading videos on YouTube, but now I'm back. So with that being said, today I'll be showing you how you can do the quick directional blur and easy transition in Premiere Pro. So with that being said, let's get started, and here's a sample. This quick directional blur transition is used by many of the filmmakers such as KOMO, Sam KOLDER and other ones. So now these are the two clips that I've imported. Let me play back them for you. Okay, so first of all we need to enable the time remapping settings for the clips. So now click on the FX little, right click on the FX, then select time remapping and click on speed. This will enable the keyframes for your footage. And in the second clip I have used warp stabilizer. That's why I can't use the time remapping and warp stabilizer on the same clip. So we have to first nest it. So click on the clip, right click on it and select nest. Now zoom in a little bit and stretch the channel to see the keyframe. So from here you can easily set keyframes from where you want to do the time remap. So now get on that point where you want to start the time remap. Now go to that small dot and click it. Now this has created a small keyframe there. Now on the right side of the dot, just increase the speed to nearly 500% or more. Now you will see that the clip has shortened. Two markers around like colored in blue, now stretch them up. It will make the footage go very smoothly to the high speed. Now bring the next clip closer to the time remapping of the first clip. Right click on the FX and select time remapping and then select speed. Now choose the point where you want to start the time remapping and make the keyframe there and increase the speed to nearly more than 500 and then smoothen it out with those markers once again, and there will be a little key there to bend the smoothness, to increase the smoothness. Do it for the first clip too, and you're done. So now that looks very smooth. Now we are getting onto the blur part. So now cut the clip. Before the time remap starts, keep 5 frames or more, and also do the same for the second clip. Cut them. Okay. So now after you have cut them, select them both, right click on them and select nest. So now they are nested. So now we are getting onto the transition part. Now in the effects tabs, search for the directional blur and drag it onto the nested sequence. Now you have to search for when the time remap starts. So here it starts, here it goes fast. So from the point where the video clip goes fast, go back 3 frames. 1 2 3, done. Now in the effect controls, click those stopwatches for directional blur. Now go 3 frames ahead, and I have kept the direction 0 degree because the blur should be going straight and the blur length should be nearly 15. Okay. Now skip to the part where the time remapping is ending and the second clip is slowing down. Now once again click those 2 dots and go 2 frames or 3 frames in the front of those dots and click those rewind buttons. So now you're done. This is your smoothest transition ever. So now let me color grade it and show it to you. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. More quality content coming soon.